Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to solve some Photoshop errors which I got after updating my Windows 10. First I will show you what the errors are. So I'm going to open Photoshop. Now let's open one picture. Here I will try to change the resolution of the picture. Let's say 300 and click OK. Here I got one error. It says that could not complete the image size command because there is not enough memory or RAM. Another error I got is when I open reference under preference and performance. I got another error saying that an integer between 96 and 8 is required, closest value inserted. This is another error which I got. Now I cannot close this dialog box, and I cannot close even the Photoshop. It got hang and freeze. So I have to kill it from Task Manager. Now let's check how much RAM is available on this laptop. So on Task Manager you go to Performance tab and click on Memory on the left panel. Here I get 1.5 GB of available RAM, which is quite sufficient for editing small size pictures. So the error is nothing to do with available RAM. And it is caused after I update Windows 10 April 2018 update. So I'll close this Task Manager and I'll show you how to solve this issue. So to solve this issue, you go to search box and type regedit and then press enter key to open the registry editor. And then after opening the registry editor, you expand the root key of the registry editor, which is H key current user. You expand this, and then you expand again software, and then you expand again Adobe, and then you expand again Photoshop. Here for this particular laptop, I got so many keys here. Under Photoshop I got 80, 120, 110, 100. These are the keys for different versions of Photoshop which I installed before. You have to choose the correct Photoshop, you have to choose the correct key. Also I'll show you how to choose the correct key. Let me expand this window. Now click on each key, and here on setting file path you will see the version of the Windows this particular key 80.0 is correspond to. That means 80.2 is for Photoshop CC 2014, and then click here 120. 120.0 key is for Photoshop CC 2018. 110.0 is for Photoshop CC 2017. 100.0 is for Photoshop CC 2015.5. Currently I am using Photoshop CC 2018, so the correct key will be 120.0. Here you can see when I click 120.c, you can see here Photoshop CC 2018. So 120.0 is the correct key for the Photoshop which I am using and on which the error occurred. So now after choosing the correct key, what you have to do is right click on the correct key highlight new and then click the word 32-bit value and then type exactly same as I type here, override override physical memory MB. One thing you have to note here is that you have to type exactly same like this, because the registry value here is case sensitive. So O should be capital letter, P should be capital letter, M should be capital letter, MB should be capital letter. You have to type exactly same as I type here and then press enter key. So now you right click on this key and then click modify and then select decimal option, and then here you have to type some values. I'll tell you what value you have to type. Suppose if your laptop or computer has a total of 4 GB, then multiply it by 1000, so you'll get, so you type here 4000. If your total RAM is 8 GB, then multiply it by 1000, so you get 8000, so you have to type 8000. Similarly, if you have a 16 GB, you have to multiply it by 1000 and you get 16,000. You have to type here 16,000. The total RAM for this laptop is only 4 GB, so I will type here 4 multiplied 1000 is 4000. So I'll type only 4000 and then click OK. After that, you can close registry editor and then you restart your computer. So I've already restarted the computer. I will now check if the problem is already fixed or not. Let's try to change the resolution of the picture. Yeah, the problem is fixed, and I will again try to go to reference and see the problem still exists or not. The performance tab under preference also we can access. There is no issue, so the problem is already fixed now. So friends, that's it for today. I guess this video will help your issues. Thank you for watching this video. Take care and see you.